Welcome to our guide on how to view muted stories on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story, located on the left side of the screen to proceed. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on Settings to access the story settings. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, select Stories You've Muted to display a list of stories that you have muted. Step 5. Scroll through the list and tap Unmute next to the name of the person or page whose story you wish to view, allowing their stories to reappear in your feed. By following these steps, you can easily navigate and manage muted stories on Facebook, ensuring that you have control over the content you see on your feed. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to view muted stories on Facebook. Enjoy customizing your story settings to tailor your feed to your preferences and interests.